Good morning, everyone. I've been wanting to make this video for a while. Lots of times we have code that we're trying to enter into Slack, and it's very difficult to do so, especially for newer for new developers. So what I wanted to show is the best way to do it. So if you're doing a single line of code and you say console.log like this, you actually hello world, and you use just a single backtick each side. This is a great way to enter a single line of code. If you want to enter more, what you do is 3 ticks. Did anybody see that? Let me try it again. You could press this button or 3 ticks. 3 ticks like that, and it enters this new box right here. And then you just paste the code in, and if you notice, it formats all of it in one shot. So then I enter that code, and you see how that code shows up as a block. This allows it for another developer to quickly copy and paste the code. Even if I double click, you see how that is? And it's much easier. The alternative would be to do this. And these are the 3 differences. So if you look here, you can see single line, multi-line, triple tick. So single tick on each side, triple tick, and then nothing. And then if you look down here, this is, if you want to do it manually, this is the code block tick. So what you do is you can either paste it in, highlight it, and go like that, which I don't think is very good, as you can see why. Let's see how that looks. See how that looks? What you want to do is you want to just do triple tick, so it opens up a box just like that. Or the alternative is to open up that box with the button and then do it. It's really a question of which one serves your interests best. I hope this helps anybody who's new to using Slack and sharing with developers.